Hi everyone, in front of me I've got SONY Xperia 5 Mark III and let me share with you how to set camera timer on this device. So first of all, let's enter the camera app and make sure that you're on the photo mode. So let me just tap on this, let's say photo icon, and since you cannot see the red color inside the shutter button, it means that for sure you're on the photo mode, standard mode. So now all we have to do is to simply tap on this option, which is on this panel with options right in the middle. So let's tap on it, and as you can see here we've got some different options. I mean, on the left we've got the timer options, and on the right we've got the continuous shooting. So we've got the let's say the burst shot option, or you will be able to take some photos in series in a row. But let me focus on the self timer. So if we are on this position, all we have to do is to simply swipe to the right in order to check the options which are on the left. And here we've got two different self timer options. So we've got 10 seconds and 3 seconds delay. So all you have to do in order to pick the option is to make sure that the option you'd like to use is marked, is highlighted, just like here, 10 seconds. So if we've got 10 seconds delay, as you can see the icon changed slightly, so we can try to check it. Let's tap on the shutter button. And as you can see, from now on, this device will count down from 10, and obviously after that time it will take a photo. Okay, as you can see, the photo has been taken, so let's try the 3 seconds delay, just to be sure that it is working. And the same situation, but right now it is counting down from 3. If you would like to turn off this option completely, you have to go back to this strange off icon. I mean the icon with the off on it. And from now on the device will take photos right after touching the shutter button. So actually this is it. This is how to set camera timer in your SONY Xperia 5 Mark III. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.